Okay, Tim, well, I hear lots of people talk about having a dedicated rifle for their thermal or night vision. Does that really need to be the case these days?
I think them days are past now, so depending on what part of the country you're in, you can have a thermal or an IR scope, a digital IR scope on any rifle now. Myself, I have the Tube TD50L and the Thermion 2 Pro. I have them, and I have them on a set of adjustable quick release mounts, and they hold zero, and I swap them across any rifle I need to. So whether it be my air rifle for ratting, or my 243 for stalking, or anything like that, or a 223 for foxing, I just swap them and I change the profiles within the menu, and I keep everything zeroed at different profiles according to each rifle. The other night I had it zeroed on me 243, which it held it zero. And again, I always take a confirmatory shot just to check my zero. And then I zeroed it on my 22LR on another profile, went out for a night's rabbiting, and I have 100% faith that will go back on that other rifle on the flick of a switch and be absolutely bang on zero every time.